What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. Wanted to give you some of my update plans for 2020. One of my goals are to start the Weld technicians business, which is going to be a branch of Hog On Welding. And what I'm going to do with this company that I'm developing right now is to help people like me who actually want to be independent. Because there's a lot of people out here who want to be independent, but they don't really know the system or know how to get money from the system. Well, I'm going to open up an opportunity. Everything takes money to make money. So the way I'm going to set this up is, I'm going to set it up as to people who have their own personal equipment, who can do service calls, and they want to be independent. I have a set rate that I'm going to charge the people to send you out. And if you got a car, a truck, whatever you got, because some jobs might just require you bringing your car and your wire welder in your trunk and your equipment. Some jobs you might need a truck, but all jobs, all service calls, you don't need a big heavy duty rig to come up here and repair a gate or repair something that was broke, or you know what I'm saying, install something small. You don't need thousands of dollars worth of equipment, but you do need the opportunity to make the money. And I don't mind opening up a door so that way I can help both of us eat. Now, the game is, I want to make money because I'm in business, but I want to see you make money too. So I don't want to just make money off of you. I want to make money with you. So if you're not petty and you ain't got no problem having a black owner as the person who's sending you the work and giving you percentages on each job, then hit me up, man. Y'all got my number, 480-430-6591, and that's Hog On Welding. Or you can email me, hogonwelding@gmail.com, either or. But all I'm saying is, don't be petty, because the way that I'm going to set this up, if I send you work, I'm going to make sure that I get paid off the top, because I have dealt with dudes from doing service calls, from doing repairs, who I have said, hey, I send you some work, you give me an X amount of percentage off this work that I'm sending you. You think they sent it? You think they gave it to me? Hell nah. People are petty. But you want the money, but I tell you, well, I'm going to tell you what one guy said. Well, I'm doing the work. Well, damn, I sent you the work. You wouldn't be doing the work if I didn't send you the work. You see what I'm saying? But you don't want to pay me my percentage of me sending you the work, but you sitting at home on your ass wondering, damn, how I'm going to get some work? I send you the work and you can't even pay me my percentage. We deal with people like this. So how I'm going to deal with that, I'm just going to cut that shit in the bud off the top. If you got that type of mentality, then don't contact me. But if you want to eat and you don't mind me eating because I'm a business person, then hit me up. Most of the people working on jobs, or the job, whatever they paying you, they winning off of your ass. And you ain't saying shit. You go right in and punch the clock. But someone independent set up something so they can make money. You want to say, man, they making money off of me. He's benefiting off of me. I'm going to tell you something, man. We all benefit off of one another. That's just what life is. So once you become conscious, you can start eating off of one another or helping somebody else eat. But don't think selfish. And one thing, let me say this to clear this up real quick. Whatever you want in life, you want something major, you want something big, you want something great, you want that peace, that love, or whatever it is that you're looking for, you got to give it too. You know that, don't you? You can't hate somebody else that got what you're looking for and think that you're going to get it. You got to, damn, they got a nice truck. One day I'm going to have it. Damn, that's a nice house. One day I'm going to have it. Man, that's a nice business. One day I'm going to have it. Hey, how you do this? Maybe I can learn something from you. What steps did you take so I can come up with my own steps? Because everybody got their own way of getting to where they're getting to. You see what I'm saying? But a lot of us have an issue. Only those, I'm going to keep it real with you, it's only those who don't think like our entrepreneur. Because I have noticed, majority of us entrepreneurs, we think the same. But if you just a worker who punch a clock, an entrepreneur and a clock puncher is like the sun and night. You see what I'm saying? We can't even communicate. We can't even exist in the same spot at the same time because it's going to be conflict. You're going to have a feeling, oh, they think they better than me. Or so, and it ain't even like that, but that's the situation. So I get it now. Entrepreneurs, workers, employees can't even be on the same page. I mean, it don't work. Once you transfer over and you transition, yeah, we good. But while you over here thinking that, oh, this job is everything, but you know you barely getting by, but you want better, but you're not thinking like an entrepreneur, you have to learn. And I'm going to keep it real with you. It's growing pains in everything we do. when you decide to do anything, you gotta have to learn it. It's just gonna be some hard times. It's gonna be ups and downs and sideways and turns and thoughts you was gonna fall off, but you didn't. That's what it is, man. That's about being an entrepreneur. So, if you want to network with me, man, with this Weld Technicians, hit me up. Like I said, I even got the email already. It's called weldtechnicians at gmail.com. So you can hit me up on Weld Technicians. But my goal is to help us out. I want to make money, but I want to see you make money. Because you saying, hey, I want to learn the business. I don't know the business. I'm going to teach you the business and help you make money. You see what I'm saying? I don't want you to be blind forever. Oh, I'm just going to eat off of you. Now, we can eat off of one another forever. That's the game. That's what the people at the top do. They help one another eat so they never fall off. But why can't the people on the bottom do that? We don't want to see so-and-so get $1 more than we do, or we want to throw in the towel. Come on, man. We got to do better. So to my independent people, to my people who want to be independent, that's who I'm talking to right now. The people who want to grind and think outside the box. If that's not you, then I'm not talking to you. If you want to make it there, let's network. We can do this, man. I've been doing this on my own. And you see what I look like. And I've been maintaining and winning. I'm not even going to lie. But if we work together, we can do even more. I've been doing this shit the hard way. I'm going to keep it real with you now. I didn't figure out a better way. So starting my new year off, it's going to be it's going to be a more smooth selling. I'm ready to start enjoying life again. It's been a little hard. But things finna loosen up though. But all I'm saying is if you mess with me. You know what I mean? You can still have a job and do the Weld Technicians, because a lot of these service calls be on the weekends or after hours sometimes, so you can go out, get that money, and go back to the crib. You know what I mean? So, but I'm going to set it up where you can win and I can win. And I'm not trying to step on you. I want to see you win. I want to see you eat and enjoy places and do things, because I know the money we can make being independent is a no-brainer.